Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll explain about common mistake people make when replacing fuses and relays that can end up you spending quite a bit of money on diagnostics tools, parts that you may not need. Make sure to stay until the end. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having Ford Explorer, that generation here from year 2011 to year 2015. If you need to find where the traction control module, fuses and relays are located, where you can guys find them. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can buy cheap parts and tools, that way do not waste money and time. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you guys a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine lights, transmission lights, fuses, relays. Why we do all that, guys? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, check out our YouTube channels. We have, guys, more than 15,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So for the traction control module, which fuses and relays we need to check, we will demonstrate on this Ford Explorer here. We need to first open the driver door. Then, guys, come in the footwell compartment on the driver's side. Behind the parking brake panel, look up in the dash on the left side. You're going to find a black cover like this one. Press these two tabs together, pull the cover out, you will find the main interior fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. Here we need to just check one fuse, guys, and we need to go to a different fuse box and check multiple more fuses. All these fuses that we need to check, they're for ABS module, traction control module, guys, and also known as advanced track system. Okay, fuses and relays. The first one you need to check is fuse number 18 right here. Very important fuse. Then you need to open the hood, and under the hood on the driver's side next to the car battery you have a fuse box. Press these two tabs, leave the cover open, you're going to find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Here, guys, we need to check fuse number 5. That's that 50 amp fuse, that's the main fuse, very important fuse. We need to check fuse 43 after this one. Now 43, guys, will be that 40 amp fuse right here. Very important fuse as well. You need to check fuse 59, so that's 56, 57, 58, 59, that 10 amp fuse right there. After that you need to check 92, so you come to 89, 90, 91, 92, that 10 amp fuse. You don't have, guys, any relays. The relay part is controlled by the module. Practically you have these fuses only that you need to check. So, guys, by the way, you have all kinds of different fuses, relays, circuit breakers, and check under the hood. It's even more complicated, guys. And even you have some special fuses, okay, like this one right here. One time we needed a replacement fuse, we couldn't get one, and we were stuck in the middle of nowhere because of that. We'll recommend to buy some, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll share the link in the description of the video below for your convenience, where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.